Hi guys, just want to show off my folding knife collection. So yeah, here we go. Got some cheap knives right over here. By the way, these are all my folders, folding blades. Almost all of them. My custom is in the work still, so a lighter automatic, some auto knives, automatic knives. Shit, can't talk it. Can't speak name. Hold on. This one is actually a really cool one. It's really old. Can't remember the name. It's called. God. It's a really old automatic knife. Can't name it. Yeah, can't name it. So this is the first table, glass case of the knife table. My keychain knives, folding knives, really small, cheap, automatic. Piece of junk, but these two are old. This one is got most of them in a lot for 20 euros. I got a couple of these ones. Bitch that bit me twice. Still loving it. Just can. Yeah. These are really expensive around here. This one is 70 euros. This one 80 buck. Headhunter. Oh yeah, headhunter I think. Some cheap owners, but real inexpensive ones. Can't open. Yes, can open it with my left hand. That's a big plus for me, because most of the time my right hand is cut up. This one is really old. Not really old, but some fantasy shit. Second knife case. Everybody knows that. It's an knife, eh? My gold seal Spartan, my M16s. Then this one, Mai Tai. I think it's a Mai Tai. Yeah, Mai Tai. Igniter T. Outdoor Opinel in orange, custom belly. Cheap Chinese belly. Do the same. This is not a sock. The last one, not a sock or SOG, whatever you want to call it. I have some folders somewhere else. I can't remember where. So I'll be right back. guys, right back. Got a little bit of problems here, but fixed. Hi guys, I'm back, or almost back. Sorry for all the stupid shit I did, but not stupid shit, you know what I mean. Some multi-tools. A buckle multi-tool. Orange. But I had one really crappy. Swiss Army knives. The only Victorinox I had. One with the logo, name from my local gun and knife shop. Yeah, you can read it. It's called Lady Arms Trade Store. Swiss Army style knives. Opinel. Cheap knives. Some really old knives. This one was the first automatic knife that I repaired, but it's bust up again. But it was a really cheap piece of shit anyway, so these are my older ones. My folding knives, I got around, no, I got more than 200 of them, so. Oh. And shiny pig. Got some kind of stonework on it. It's really cool. At least in my opinion. But that's for the next vid. For another vid, I mean. Next up, the next vid is gonna be on my fixed blades. Then machetes or swords, I don't have no idea yet. So let me know what you want to see next. I don't have any guns or shit, real guns or shit, so got a crossbow though. So just let me know what you want to see next, or not. Then I'm gonna show you just the fixed blades next. Bye and keep it up, mates. Bye.